Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of our new trade-in 2017 Regal 1900 ESX. This particular boat outside color is red and black. It does come with a galvanized trailer. Here in the transom you'll see a really large swim platform, a stainless steel ski tow eye, and a full sun pad on the back. This does have a walk-through transom, and we have the filler cushion to go there to make a full bench seat along the back. This boat does have a removable cooler. Here, the engine is a Mercruiser 4.3 MPI, 180 horsepower. It does have 59.9 hours on the engine and a cutoff battery on-off switch. As we make our way forward, you'll see a nice helm chair with armrest, tilt wheel steering, fusion stereo with Bluetooth, all of your switches labeled, and digital depth gauge. And this boat is rated for 9 people. Over here on the port side, you'll see a flip-flop seat, a lockable glove box. Coming through, up here in the bow, you'll see wraparound seating with all upgraded stainless steel hardware. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2017 Regal 1900. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.